Hello players, it's Coach Kevin here in my garage, and as we wrap up our first week of in-home training, I want to say how pleased I am with how hard you're all working. It's been fun to hear what you're doing and communicating with you under the circumstances. I think we're doing a great job. Now, there are two areas I want to concentrate on today. Number one is your stance as a ball handler, and number two is how you're contacting the ball. So first, we want to stay in good stances while we practice these dribbling sequences, because if you get in the habit of just bouncing the ball in a relaxed, comfortable stance, then in games you won't be ready to deal with the defense. So establish a good, strong stance and get ready to own your box. The second thing is how you contact the ball, right? You think about real little kids, they slap the ball, they get a lot of their palm on the ball. If you're doing these workouts in a garage or outside, which you pretty much are, then at the end of the workout, the dirtiest parts of your hands should be the heel and your finger pads, because that's where you should be contacting the ball, whether you're passing or shooting or dribbling. So we want to stay in a strong stance and we want to contact the ball correctly. So the first thing we're going to do today is a finger pad juggle. Start nice and easy, and then start to add space and then speed. Stay down in your stance, be ready to move on the balls of your feet. Get warmed up in how you're contacting the ball. Okay, now next thing we're going to do is a combination dribble, and it starts with what's called a dog walker. You're going to move the ball front to back while staying in a strong stance with an arm bar up. The more control you have, the more speed you can add, and the more you can bring your eyes up. That's a dog walker. Now you open up your stance and you do your windshield wiper, which comes out of your Lillard series. Now you're going to combine the two. So you go back to your beginning stance here, protecting the ball, and you're going to do a dog walker into a windshield wiper, dog wiper. Front, back, side, side. The more control you have, the more your eyes should be up. Then you can start to try and add speed. The key is to be contacting the ball and almost having it sliding along your hand. You can hear it if you listen carefully. Now let's move to our left. Strong stance, front to back. Get a good rhythm. A lot of consistent dribbles without mistakes. If you make a mistake, don't worry about it. Just bounce back and reinforce good habits. Now we go to our windshield wiper here. Strong in my stance. Now we'll combine the two. Front to back, side to side. Front to back, side to side. When I go from side to side back to the front, that's when the ball is sliding. Every time I transition from the dog walker to the windshield wiper, there's time where the ball has to sit on my hand. That's when it slides around. Dog wipers. Now, the next one we're going to do is around the world. You bounce it once in front and then change or go behind your back. In front, behind, or change directions and then once in each direction. The more you develop a rhythm, oh, I just lost some basketballs. The more you develop a rhythm, the more you want to introduce random changes. Recovery, and then some of the other movements you're using. But you're trying to stay down in your stance and move the ball around your space with various dribbles you've used. Crossover behind the back and this swing dribble from our Lillard series. Mix it up, create your own patterns and rhythms. Stay strong in your stance. Sit your hips down as much as you can. Around the world. Okay. Now, the last thing I would encourage you to do as you're working on these various dribbles, the cone dribble sequence, the Lillard sequence, the dog wipers we just went over, and the around the world, is add in little tricks of your own. There's plenty of video available on the internet, and simple things like how to spin the ball until you develop a rhythm or a habit. And then start to mix it into your videos, have fun with it, and then send them to us so we have something interesting to watch besides me. You've been doing a great job. Keep up the good work. I miss you all, and I'll talk to you soon.